Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial we're going to show you how you can move files to another folder inside your Google Drive account. So let us get started. Head over to Google Drive and select Home, or the Home section here in the left panel, to have a better overview of all of your files and folders. So what you want to do, guys, is browse through your Home section here. You may also click on View More to gain access to more of your files and folders, like the older ones, for example, and simply select the one you would like to move. So let me go with that image here for demonstration purposes. What you want to do is right click on it, and from that drop down menu simply select or move your mouse over Organize, and after that click on Move here. Alternatively, use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-M. That is going to open that window for you. So what you want to do, guys, is simply head over to All Locations here and select where you'd like to create your new folder to move your file to. So let me go with My Drive here, for example, and after that what you want to do is create a new folder, for example, or choose a folder from your My Drive location, like a test folder, for example, or you create a completely new folder by clicking on that button. So to move the file to the given folder, to select it with your left mouse. As you can see, only folders can be selected, and after that confirm by clicking on Move here, and that is going to do the job for you. And that's basically it, guys. You may also do the following. Alternatively, you may simply use the panel here on the left hand side, click on that little arrow icon here to get a better overview of all associated folders inside your location, like My Drive here, for example, or click on that arrow down icon here to see if that folder contains any subfolders. And what you want to do after that is simply move your file from the overview from home here, for example, by left clicking on it and by holding it with your left mouse and by moving it manually and intuitively to your folder here on the left panel, and release your left mouse just like that. It is going to move the file to your folder. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.